What's going on, awesome podcasters? In this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys this video on how I built a $7,500 per month content-based business from home in the past year and a half. This is going to be a super valuable video, and this is something that is really a long-term kind of model that you can invest your time into. It's probably the foundation of most businesses online today, and that is content creation. I mean, if you want to become well known, you got to create content, and you should be posting every single day. But as promised in the previous video, I did have a $20 giveaway, and I did get a ton of comments on this video, my latest video on how I built a $6,000 business with Builderall. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose a random comment picker, and I'm going to paste the video here to generate a random winner. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do that, and we'll see who wins this $20 giveaway. I just want to select YouTube. I'm going to paste this link here. I'm just going to get the comments, and then I'm going to click on start. We had over 37 different comments, which is really good. And the winner of the $20 giveaway is this person here, Hamza Chowdhury, if that's how you say your name. So what I want you to do is I want you to comment or reply to my pinned comment on this video, and also just DM me on Instagram, sending me a screenshot of your comment that you posted or your quotes that you posted on this video, just so that I can see that it's you, and I'll send you $20 to your PayPal. But if you're ready for this value pack video, I'm going to be sitting back at this setup for this video. Let's get straight into it, and I'm super excited to share with you. This is going to be a super great way to make money online, because you're not going to be selling anything to anyone. This is really going to be a very different way of making money online, and a much better way of really growing an online business, growing an online presence, and really getting your brand out there, as that is a key concept for making money online. And like I've explained in many of my videos before, 3 key concepts that I always talk about when it comes to making money online is volume, consistency, and patience. And once you master those 3, there is a big chance of you reaching success online. Now, if you watch this video, I'm going to kind of explain how these 3 concepts work with this specific strategy. This is something that will not work overnight. This is something that took me about a year or so to build up before I could get a sustainable income from this. But once you get there, it really does pay off well. As I say, because I was consistent at it, I had patience with it, I succeeded very well at it. And I'm going to show you some of my live earnings just in a bit that I've made from a strategy like this. So we are now inside of my computer, and what we are going to be using is we're going to be using something called Google Slides that will actually help us with this method, because you're going to understand in a bit exactly how this is going to work. So it's very important that you try and stick with me throughout this video so that you can hopefully replicate this and get some good success from this. As I say, I'm going to show you some of my live earnings right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Google, and I'm just going to type in Google Slides so I can get to the Google Slides, the docs. So we're going to be basically using this tool. We can create a blank idea. What I actually did was I went to a website called slidesgo.com, and you can actually get a ton of free Google Slides that you can import to your Google Slides page and use those free themes, which is free to use. And as you can see, this is what the slideshow or the slide theme template looks like with this, and you're probably not sure what we're going to be using this with or for exactly just yet. But this is where the next couple of minutes are going to be crucial with understanding this method. So I'm going to come over to a website called skillshare.com, which is basically a website where people are posting courses. They're posting various different courses, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram marketing, digital marketing. You can actually get a ton of free course categories over here, such as business analytics, freelance and entrepreneurship marketing, which is one of the best niches, I'd say. You can also use the search bar, for example, and if I go Facebook advertising, you can find courses on Facebook advertising, and you can see there's basically a ton of people posting various different courses, Facebook advertising hacks, the complete Shopify e-commerce masterclasses, and there's a ton of courses here. So you're probably wondering, what exactly are we going to be doing with these courses? But if you remember what I explained in the beginning of this video, an important concept of really building a good brand online is producing content, is getting your brand out there, getting your name out there, climbing out of your comfort zone, which is something I did about a year back on this exact channel, and it's completely life-changing. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can actually replicate that using Skillshare and Google Slides as a big boost and some way to actually get started with this. So I actually found quite a neat class here. It was this one here, a Skillshare class that I found. It's literally a Facebook ads mastery guide on Facebook ads. And you can see this guy right here, if I play the video bit, is literally just using a voiceover with some slideshow program. This perhaps looks like Microsoft, the slideshow presentation, but it could also be Google Slideshow, and he's literally just screen recording that and giving some information on Facebook ads. And what's nice is about Skillshare, they already pay you to host your courses, as long as your courses are decently good looking, such as this screen recording right here with a good voiceover. And remember, to basically do this yourself is you can go to a website called udemy.com, which is another kind of course website where people sell courses and free courses as well. What I suggest is whatever niche you want to get into, head over to Udemy, go save a ton of courses, basically influence your kind of courses from that. You can literally make your own versions of their courses. Don't copy their exact videos, record your own versions of the videos. You can come to Skillshare, and if I actually come over to Google and I type in how much does Skillshare pay you, or just pay you, not YouTubers, you can see right here, on average, first-time teachers earn $200 in their first month on Skillshare. Top teachers' earnings are up to $3,000. So as I say, that's where the consistency and patience comes in. If you're producing courses on a daily or every second day or every week, and you do that for a year, you could get to a stage where you're earning $3,000+ per month passively just from your courses, earning revenue. And then what you can also do with your courses, as I say, there's literally infinite course ideas on Udemy right here. There's so many different course ideas that you can create and use. You can also use something as a good example that I saw over here, the Complete Shopify E-commerce Masterclass. If I click on his course, he probably has a Shopify and a ClickFunnels affiliate link, or she, sorry, has an affiliate link probably somewhere in the description, or she mentions probably a link in any of her lessons to click on that link. And then you can also get people to sign up, say, for example, if Shopify is required for your course through your affiliate link, and then not only getting paid from Skillshare, you're getting paid from Shopify. So what I've actually been doing is I've been doing something like this, except on YouTube. I literally posted Facebook courses, Builderall courses on YouTube on a daily basis. And I mean, if I come over to my channel dashboard right here, you can see if I refresh this page, this is my live channel dashboard. This is the channel that I'm on now. Instead of posting on perhaps on Skillshare and those kind of places, I've just been posting my basically courses right here on YouTube, and it took me about a year to start getting a revenue from my channel, whether it was affiliate links, and then eventually if you post on YouTube as well as Skillshare, you can maybe get monetized over time if you reach the requirement, which I'm sure you will if you're providing a lot of value. Remember, YouTube's game is not for the numbers. The way to succeed on YouTube is to start YouTube without any expectations. And how by doing that is, you literally start a channel, you can produce content off Udemy, remake your own versions of their content, post onto YouTube, and don't do it for the numbers and the views and the subscribers. Do it for providing value. Then naturally in return, the YouTube algorithm will start rewarding you because your audience will obviously start to like you. And the whole goal of YouTube is to provide as much as value as possible. And that's why I'm right here on YouTube producing everything for free. I mean, I'm not even offering a course yet on YouTube. I produce everything right here for free because it's tough times with what's happening in the world right now, and I don't want people to spend unnecessary money. I want to give as much as value as possible. And you can see right here, pretty much for the past 28 days, YouTube ad revenue has been at about $7,000, which is really good revenue just from creating 10 to 15 minute videos from content from Udemy, from content from Skillshare, which is basically a great way of creating your own brand as well. Now, I know this method seems like a lot of effort, but it's not actually really. Literally, you go to Udemy, you can go Facebook ads, for example. Let's go Facebook ads. I'm going to head over to this, the filter. I can go free. There's 757 courses for free about Facebook ads on Udemy. You can see right here, Introduction to Advanced Facebook Advertising. 9 lectures, 1 hour total. You can literally go and watch this course, perhaps make a 3-video series on Skillshare and YouTube on perhaps a daily or every second day basis. You can use your laptop. You can perhaps use your phone. I more suggest a laptop for this, as it is much easier to do. Do some YouTube research on how to do editing of your videos, how to do cutscenes, how to record your mic, how to record your laptop. That's all stuff you need to go and search how to do, because Making money online is all about educating yourself, developing high income skills. And once you've got a couple of courses that you've perhaps created, you can use screen recording software such as OBS and Audacity to record your screen and audio. You don't even need to have your face as long as you have a good voiceover. You don't even need to have a good voiceover. You can use like an online robot and type in the text and he will do the voice for you and kind of sync that up to your screen recording. And therefore you don't even have to do any of the speaking yourself either. But once you've done that, you can come over to skillshare.com/teach. You can click on start a class. You can upload your couple of courses and publish that right here. So you can pick a category, whether it's business. So for example, if it's Facebook ads or Instagram, it would be business. What are your primary goals for teaching this class? I suggest build my brand and following, and also give back by sharing my knowledge. You can check all three if you'd like to. You can then click continue. You'll see right here, it will take me to the next page where I can add all my video lessons. So for example, a lesson 1 you can upload, the next one you can have lesson 2, upload that video, you can add any text to that, and you can eventually publish. And you can then, as I say, screen record presentations right here in Google Docs, and influencing your content ideas from courses or free courses of Udemy, and keep producing content on a daily, at least once a day, even every second day. And you should be posting on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, every single platform possible every single day to produce as much value as possible. You'll see if you follow all my social media platforms, I post on every single platform, which has played a big role in growing my channel a lot, growing my YouTube channel, growing Skillshare, growing Udemy. All plays a part in that, in people following you and building a brand online. So I'm hoping you can kind of see the broad perspective of this video on how important it is to be consistent at this method. And something like this, literally, if you can do this for a year, you do this for a year, every single day, post on every single platform for a year, you will see your life change with something like this. The difference is 99% of people won't do that because they're deep down not passionate about it. They don't really want it. And that's the hunger I've had since 13 years old, when I used to flip junk online. Like for me, working 10 to 12 hours a day is not hard work. It's my passion. I love it. I get excited to grind 13 hours a day, sleep for 8 and eat the rest, because I just love it that much. And I'm always producing content, always at my PC, trying new things, learning, Googling, YouTube. And that's what you should be doing, developing yourself high income skills in order to make money online with this. But guys, right here on the screen, I've got some of my best YouTube playlists and free playlists and courses right on YouTube on how you can make money online, and how I've been making money online, and how you can replicate this. But guys, this is a super value packed video, and I'm hoping you guys will eventually take action with something like this, really grow an online brand and succeed online. But click on one of these on the screen and I'll see you there.